Hi, hello everybody. Today we are in a very special unit. This is called Qtower. Is a luxury condo in Medellin. This is just a little studio apartment. Let's go look at it. This is only a little studio apartment. See this beautiful open kitchen. That's my dog Sauna. But check out this view. This is the living room. Look at that. Not wicked? Very special, very small. Actually not very small, no, it's got enough space though. This is the master bedroom. It's actually very nice though. Look at this view, it's actually beautiful though. That view is just gorgeous, check it out, it's beautiful green. And this is the shower and the walk-in closet. Check it out, check. This is the shower. Wicked shower. Washroom, beautiful modern spaces. And the living room. This unit is actually beautiful. Check it out. That's the view from the master bedroom or the only bedroom. The view to the city. And we go right here. And we have a closet right here. That was actually really good because we got that walk-in closet and we got this other closet right here. And this is the master space. Check it out. It's just beautiful. Oh, check out that master grand mirror right here. This is our room right there. And when we go out here, we see this. We got this right in front of us. Check out that view. Check out the terrace. These are the amenities in this unit. There's barbecue area right there. And right here we have full gym. So check this out. Gym, complete gym. See, someone is actually doing some exercise right there. And we got a lap pool right here, which is great. Got a lap pool. We got that amazing view from this side. That's the south right there. And this is the north side. Same view that you get from the apartment. This is it for now, guys. My name is Thomas, realestatemedellin.info. Check out this other property. Let me know if you liked it, comment, and I'll see you in the next video.